So now that I got my shoe, I got everything and I got it all shaped and ready, I'm going to, this is my toothbrush, and don't mind the pain reliever bottle. But inside here is a little bit of soap, dish liquid. And I'm going to do like this with my toothbrush, get it all nice and wet. And I'm going to start to clean. Just like that. I want to clean them off so they look presentable for the pictures and for the customer. And I'm just going to go around. I'm going to wet my toothbrush again and keep going. The bottoms, I don't worry about too much because they're going to get dirty anyway. And we're talking about a kid's shoe. I just want to make it presentable because I did throw these in the washing machine already. So as you can see, this magic eraser has seen better days. So I'm just going to dip it in here, get it just a little wet. And I'm going to go around the shoe. See how it's coming off? Now, I don't worry about too much about this part right here because I know that's inside the grooves. It's hard to get to. So mostly I focus on just this part. And they're going to be play shoes probably anyway. And it's a kid. They're going to get dirty. But before they leave me, I'm going to try to clean them up as much as I possibly can. Okay, so that looks a little bit better. See? And then I'm just going to wipe them off. Let's try to do a little bit something. And I don't mind doing this. I like doing this. It's therapeutic. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know I like doing this. This is not the first time I've done a video like this. Well, short. Let's see. This might work. Nope. Because it's inside of the grooves. Hard to get to. Alright. Well, anyway, looks a little bit better. I kind of smashed the inside, so I'm going to have to get a brand new one of these. But that's okay. Just wanted to show you this anyway. Alright. Later.